Unit 6, Lesson 4. Track 39. Listen to two games. Part 1.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Hadil.
Today you're going to play a game.
Whee!
The name of this game is What's My Job? And this is what I want you to do. You'll work in pairs. One of you, student 1, thinks of a job, but doesn't tell her partner, okay?
Yes, Miss Hadil.
Student 2 has to try to find out what the job is. Student 2 can ask 5 questions. Only 5, no more. If you can find out the job with 5 questions or fewer, you get a point. If not, nothing. Right, you can begin. I'll listen.
Have you thought of a job? Yes.
Do you work inside?
Sometimes.
Do you work in an office?
No.
Do you make food for people?
No.
Do you help people?
Yes.
You're a doctor.
Wrong. I'm a policewoman.
Part 2.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Kareem.
Right, everybody. Today I want you to play a game.
Yes!
The name of this game is What's My Job? And this is what I want you to do. You'll work in pairs. One of you, student 1, thinks of a job, but doesn't tell his partner. All right?
Yes, Mr. Kareem.
Student 2 has to guess what the job is. Student 1 says 5 things about the job, and after each sentence, student 2 makes a guess. Remember, only 5 things, no more. If student 2 can guess the job after hearing just 5 sentences or fewer, he gets a point. If not, nothing. Right, you could begin now. I'll listen.
Right. I've thought of a job.
Go on.
I don't work in an office.
You're a farmer.
No. Next thing, I wear a uniform.
You're an ambulance driver.
No. Third sentence, I take people to other places.
You're a bus driver.
No. I have to speak English.
You're a taxi driver.
Wrong. Last sentence, I work at the airport.
Oh, you're a pilot. Of course.
Correct. Well done. Now it's your turn.